Topic of our video is snapshots and system cloning in GHL. So first of all, you need to know what a snapshot is in GHL. So basically, snapshot is, you can say, backup or a cloning of a workflow or any material that you create in the go high level. It can be funnel, it can be website, it can be workflows, it can be anything that you created in your sub account in the go high level. And how to create them and why do we need them, we will discuss in this video. So basically, why we if you have agency account and you are dealing with clients and you have to give them an account in go ahead level to run their business, you need to set up some things in their accounts. But if you have already an account sub account that you created for a client, you can simply clone it and simply edit some things in it and present it to your client. And it can save your time, it can save your effort. So how to create them? Just go to agency account and you will here how you can see agency account, and you will go to the snapshots. You can create a snapshot or import a snapshot from another agency account. Okay, so you can do add any name, select a sub account on which you of which you want to create a snapshot, and for example AI, and I will, so it will fetch all the assets that are in the sub account, and it will give me the options which assets do I want to save. You can see it gave me ad campaigns, agents, blogs, voices, calendars, conversation AIs, custom fields, everything that are in the account will be, you can say, it will be saved. Okay, and once this snapshot is created, you want to then add to the another account. How to do that? You will go to sub accounts, and here, for example, load snapshot. Here you will load the snapshot that you just created. So what will this do? The material that was in this that account which created the snapshot will be imported here, and all the materials of that account will also be in this account. So it is very useful when you have multiple clients to handle, so you don't have just to do the same work twice. You just have to edit some things in them, so it will save your time and effort. So this was all in this video, and in the next video we will discuss some more features of go high level. So kindly like and subscribe our channel.